Number 36. What is defined as all of the populations of different species in an ecosystem? So in order to understand the meaning of this, it is important to say or talk about species, the term species. So species is an organism, or let's say it's a group of organisms that have similar characteristics, and they can give to a birth to fertile offspring. So they can interbreed and give birth to a fertile offspring. So if same types of species gather around, then they can form a population. So population is a group of same species in a same area, in a same given time. So if different populations come together and gather around, it forms community. Or they form community. Okay. So number 36. All of the populations of different species in an ecosystem must be community. It says all of the populations is plural of different species. Okay. So let's say A. So there's a species called A. And if many A's come together, they form a population. And if many populations come and gather around together like this, then it forms, or they form, community. So this is a community. Okay?